Let's be real for a second. Most people think generational wealth is something reserved for trust fund babies, billionaires, or families with names engraved on law firm walls. You've probably heard the phrase, "It takes money to make money," and immediately thought, well then, I'm out. Wrong. Generational wealth isn't about winning the lottery, having a seven-figure job, or marrying into fortune. It's about small, consistent money moves made month after month that quietly stack up over years. If you've ever wondered how average people can plant financial seeds today that grow into forests tomorrow, this is that blueprint. And the best part? You don't need to start rich, you just need to start. If you're ready to rewrite your financial story, hit that subscribe button. We're committed to guiding you towards a future of financial stability and success. All right, let's dive in. Number 1, automate the boring, keep the fortune. If you're relying on willpower to save, invest, or even pay bills on time, you've already lost. The trick is to remove you from the equation. Set up recurring transfers the day after your paycheck arrives. Even if it's $100 into a savings account or $200 into a brokerage account, automation ensures your future gets funded before lifestyle expenses eat it all up. Here's what most people miss. Automation isn't just about saving, it's about compounding. Imagine moving $300 monthly into an index fund. At around 8% annual growth in 20 years, that turns into $171,000. No lottery ticket needed. Number 2, build a monthly money buffer fund. Emergencies are the silent killers of financial progress. One blown tire, one dental bill, one layoff, and credit cards eat up every bit of progress. That's why your second move has to be feeding an emergency fund steadily every month. $150 a month doesn't sound life-changing until you realize it's almost $6,000 after 3 years. Suddenly, when chaos shows up, you're not begging Visa for mercy. You're the calm one who handles it and keeps investing as usual. Calm decisions are richer decisions. The big myth is that wealth disappears only from bad investments. In reality, it disappears because people had no buffer from life's random storms. Build your fund a little at a time, and you build resilience your kids will quietly inherit. Now, speaking of storms, the next monthly move attacks the biggest silent storm in most people's financial lives: debt. And this one requires systems, not guilt. Number 3, turn debt repayment into a system, not a struggle. Debt is like termites in your financial house. Left too long, it destroys the foundation. But you don't knock it out with random energy bursts. You need a repeatable monthly strategy. Whether you're using avalanche, tackle highest interest first, or snowball, knock out smallest balances first for momentum, the consistency wins. The shift here isn't only about paying debt, it's about freeing future cash flow. Every dollar no longer going to your credit card becomes a soldier working for you instead. Pay attention here. It's never about the sprint, it's about the system. And once you get rid of termites, it's time to start building. Which brings us to the most exciting part, the ownership game. Number 4, invest a fixed percentage every month. Every wealthy family holds one secret in common: ownership. Not savings, not flashy spending, ownership. The surest way to build your future is to commit to investing a fixed slice of your monthly income. 10% is a great start. That might be $400, $800, or even $1,000 depending on your situation. The trap most people fall into is waiting until they have extra. Extra never shows up. The person investing $500 a month for 20 years quietly outpaces the person waiting for years and then dumping $20,000 in all at once. Wealth rewards patience, not bravado. Your power lies in turning income into equity month after month. It's the boring investor who wins, not the lottery chaser. Number 5, create a monthly cash flow skill upgrade budget. Here's the move nobody talks about because it feels selfish: paying yourself to become more valuable. Each month, set aside maybe $100 or $200 not for investments, not for bills, but for sharpening your skills. Think online courses, certifications, tools, or mentors. Take the example of someone stuck at $30,000 a year. By investing $100 a month into better design, coding, or marketing skills, they triple their income over just a few years. That $1 to $200 per year spent on skills created $30,000 in extra cash flow. No stock or real estate deal outperformed that. This is one of the fastest compounding machines you own: your brain. Your present income seeds your future family's income. Generational wealth isn't just inheritances, it's inherited capacity. And while skills bring you new cash flow, what if I told you there's another monthly move that literally mails you money while you're asleep? Number 6. Build a monthly dividend snowball. Picture this: you check your account and see 15 teens quietly deposited. No work, no overtime, no side hustle. Just dividends from companies you partially own. Now multiply that by years of reinvesting, and what starts as 15 becomes 150, $500 or more. That's how dividends become one of the most sustainable streams for generational cash flow. Commit $200 or $300 a month into dividend-paying index funds or ETFs. At first, the growth feels invisible, but a decade later, those invisible drips become loud financial rivers. It's patient, quiet compounding at its finest. The myth is that dividends are for old retirees. Not true. They're for anyone who wants future cash flow to work while they play. Number 7. Make real estate work for you, one brick at a time. Real estate often sparks visions of luxury skyscrapers and million-dollar mansions, but actual wealth building starts with simple, monthly steps. The buy and hold strategy is a classic. Purchase an affordable property in a growth-focused location, rent it out, and let time do the heavy lifting. Even if it's a modest condo or apartment, steady rental income covers expenses while property appreciation quietly builds wealth beneath the surface. Do your homework on neighborhoods with schools, hospitals, strong public transport, or big employment hubs. Even a $1,000 monthly rental check covers your mortgage and starts growing equity fast. If your portfolio is all stocks or crypto right now, think about what steady property income could add to your mix. Number 8. Use the magic of sinking funds. Control your future expenses. Here's a little-known move with outsized power: sinking funds. Imagine you know that a $6,000 expense is coming in 3 years: vacation, home upgrade, tuition, or new laptop. Instead of scrambling or smashing your emergency fund, you break it into a $107 monthly deposit into a separate account. That fund quietly grows, no borrowing needed. Set aside sinking funds for predictable yet chunky expenses: insurance premiums, annual subscriptions, gifts, or even your next car. Automate these transfers and suddenly, unexpected becomes planned for. No guilt, no panic, no debt spiral. Run a sinking fund for multiple goals at once, and you control both spending and peace of mind. Using a sinking fund is how successful people make big moves feel routine. It's a confidence builder, and that confidence creates the space for bigger opportunities. Here is a bonus point for you. Teach kids the wealth rules. Start monthly, watch habits compound. It's one thing to quietly stack cash, but true generational wealth means passing down the mindset, not just the money. Dedicate time each month to have open, age-appropriate conversations about saving, spending, credit, and generosity. Let children budget with their allowance, track savings, or even invest their pocket change. Share stories about money mistakes and wins you've experienced, so kids learn before they stumble. Encourage delayed gratification, waiting for sales or earning before spending, rather than giving in to impulse. Let's cut through the noise. Generational wealth is not created by lottery tickets, market timing, or lucky breaks. It's the result of ordinary monthly moves, done consistently and without drama, that slowly and surely stack the deck in your family's favor. These strategies work whether you're starting with $100 or $10,000. They don't demand fancy degrees or special access, just the willingness to be quietly persistent. The most powerful move isn't just adopting any one money habit, but building a life where these rules happen month after month, even when you're busy, tired, or starting from zero. Generational wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and trust your process. Before you leave, if this video resonated with you, give a thumbs up, subscribe to never miss an insight, and share it with your loved ones. Now, if you want to know how poor people are sold dreams about compounding, watch this video. I'll see you there.